Alrighty folks, today we got a 2008 model KENWORTH T800. Big ISX 450 Cummins, married up to EATON Fuller 8LL transmission. Got your cab extension to keep you comfortable. Marriott headache rack and strobe light on top. Dual line wet kit. 285, 75, 24/5 rubber. All aluminum rims, folks, all the way around. KENWORTH 8-bag air ride. Sliding fifth wheel. 411 gears. Really nice truck, folks. A little over 690,000 miles on this truck. 12,000 pound front axle. 40,000 pound rears. Cold AC. Power windows. Also has an engine brake and cruise control. Really nice truck right here, folks. Runs out, drives out good. Y'all listen to that big Cummins motor for a second. You can come check this truck out here at 13601 Highway 45 North, Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, SouthernEquipmentLLC.com. We sure appreciate y'all watching our videos. We look forward to you coming to see us.